Ouch! Good morning, go brothers. Somewhere in the Lada factory, German engineers with the Soviet engineers develops a new Lada. German engineers say you can't build a car with the aerodynamics of a brick. The Soviet engineers respond: Блять, я не понимаю, говори по-русски. Well, maybe you were wondering where I might been for almost a month. Probably not wondering, I know. I was sick, so I just watching anime, playing Shadow Fight 2, and admiring new Catholic Church mascot. What am I spending my life on? Anyway, let's move on to the video. And the same thing from the other side. And now it's time to change this thing that I broke in the previous video. Look at this now. Much better than it was before. Fit ideally. It is pretty rare situation for these cars. When I decided to check this one, I understand that this one is broken too, so I'm happy that I bought more than I needed. So it's not a problem. And this side is also complete. Nice. So these pieces of dog shit I will remove, but I don't think that it will be easy. First one removed, second one removed.